Hello students, I am your biology lecturer. In the previous class we discussed about the 6 determination organisms, that is in birds, humans and also insects. Today we will start the another important topic of genetics, that is mutation. Okay. Mutation. First understand the definition of mutation. Here students, one important note, I am not going to provide any notes onwards. Today onwards I will not provide any notes. Please prepare notes for yourself by watching videos. Okay. Here the mutation means is a sudden heritable change. Sudden heritable change is known as a mutation. The important note here, what is heritable? Heritable is nothing but the heredity material. Heritable is nothing but heredity material. The heredity material is a DNA or chromosome. Okay. The part of the DNA, that is gene. Any change in the heredity material. Okay. The heredity material is DNA, or we can say the chromosome. The part of the DNA is also known as gene. I can say that any changes occurs in the chromosome, gene and the DNA is known as a mutation. Okay. I will give another definition for this. Any change by physical or chemical agents. Any change by physical or chemical agents in heredity material, which is called mutation. Mutation is by the physical or chemical agents. Mutation which is caused by the physical or chemical agents. Firstly, understand one thing. What is the actual meaning of mutation? I will explain with a diagram. You all know that all the organisms have this multicellular, which means they are made by many cells. Inside the cell, nucleus is present. Okay. Inside the nucleus, the genetic material, that is the DNA, is present. We can say that is chromosome also. Inside the cell, chromosome present. Chromosome have the DNA plus proteins. Okay. The DNA, a part of DNA is known as a gene. Okay. The chromosome number, I am taking the example for human beings. In chromosome number in case of human beings is 46 or 23 pair. We say that is a diploid. Okay. Any changes which occurs in the DNA or gene or chromosome, which we can see in the phenotype. Phenotype is nothing but the physical appearance of an organism. It depends on the genotype. Genotype is the genes which express. The genes which are present for the phenotypic character is known as genotype. Genetic makeup of an organism is known as a genotype. Okay. If any change in the genotype, or we can say any change in the chromosome, DNA or the genes which affect on the phenotype. Okay. Mutation is a sudden heritable change which we can see in the phenotype. Okay. The mutation which is caused by physical or the chemical agents. Okay. The agents which causes mutation are known as mutagens. Any agents which causes the mutation, those agents are known as the mutagens. Okay, there are two types of mutagens we can say, that is physical mutagens and the chemical mutagens. Okay. Physical mutagens are very harmful radiations. In the one line I can say radiations. They are X-rays, gamma rays, UV rays, because these rays are very much dangerous. They have the high penetration capacity. They can easily penetrate into our skin. Consider this is a skin. They can easily penetrate. They can easily pass through the skin and damages the DNA. The physical mutagens are the radiations. They are X-rays, gamma rays and UV rays. There are so many other rays which have the capacity to penetrate and damages the DNA. Okay. Then the chemical mutagens, or for example we can say tobacco. Tobacco, you know that tobacco causes cancer. Cancer causing mutagens. Okay, by the mutation only cancer occurs. Okay. Then colchicine. Colchicine is a chemical which is usually used in the hybridization experiments which causes the mutation. Then ethidium bromide. Ethidium bromide is another type of chemical agent which causes the mutation. There are so many other examples are there which causes the mutation. This is enough. The agents which causes the mutation is known as the mutagens. There are two types, physical and chemical. Physical examples X-rays, gamma rays and UV rays. Chemical example tobacco, colchicine and ethidium bromide. The mutation, I told that it is a sudden heritable change. It can be by the physical mutagens or the chemical mutagens. The most important thing is how many types of mutations are there. What are the types of mutations? Here, now we can discuss mutations. We can study by dividing the genetic material in the three parts. First we can see the genomic mutation. Genomic. Second one we can see chromosomal mutation. Third one we can see gene mutation. Okay. Here genomic mutation means the whole genome. Genome. First you have to understand what is genome. Genome is a whole genetic material present in organism. Whole genetic material which is present in the organism is known as a genome. Okay. Whole genetic material in the sense total number of chromosomes. Total ಎಷ್ಟು chromosomes ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ genome. Okay, total genetic material which is present in the organism is known as a genome. Okay, any changes in the genome is known as a genomic mutation. Okay, chromosome, for example, I will take human beings. Totally 46 chromosomes are there, 23 pair. Okay, in each and every cell in case of human beings we can see the 46 chromosome. They are arranged in a homologous, they are arranged in the form of homologous chromosomes. Totally 43 pairs of chromosome, they are arranged in the form of homologous, identical chromosomes are arranged in the pairs totally. Okay, means each and every cell in the human being's body have the 46 chromosome. 2n is equal to 46, but n is equal to 23. A 2n is equal to 46 is known as a diploid set of chromosome. N is equal to 23. Okay, only a single pair of chromosome in the cell is known as a n is equal to 23, that is haploid. Okay, in some case, in some plant cases, the total diploidy, you know that plants are also diploid organisms. Okay, in case of those diploid plants, the whole genome double or the whole ploidy number, we can say the diploid or haploid, that is ploidy. The ploidy number increases or the decreases, ploidy increases or ploidy decreases by certain regions. Okay, by certain reasons the ploidy number increases. Suppose I can say 2n is equal to 46 in case of human beings, but suddenly one set of chromosome add to the diploid condition, means it becomes 3n is equal to 69, 46 plus 23, 3n is equal to 69, means it is a triploid, a haploid set going to be joined to the diploid set. It forms a triploid organism. It is possible only in case of plants, it is highly impossible in case of human beings or in case of animals. Okay, ploidy number increases or decreases, it only we can see in case of plant. It is a one of the mutation. Here the normal diploid condition changes to triploid. Okay, I told that mutation is occurs, a haploid ploidy number increases here. Okay, then next type of mutation, that is chromosomal mutation. Here in the chromosomal mutation, you know that structure of chromosome is very slender and very beautiful and colored material. Okay, a long arm and a short. If any change in chromosomal structure is known as a chromosomal mutation. Okay, there are so many types of chromosomal mutations. The first one we can study deletion. Deletion means any part of the chromosome separate from the its position or get separated due to some reasons. Deletion means ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ನು ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮಿಂದ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಲೀಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮೆನಿ ಫಿನೋಟೈಪಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮಿಂದ ಕಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, which creates a huge difference. Many genes are present in that portion. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಿನೋಟೈಪಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಅದೇನಾದರೂ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ಅದೇನಾದರೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ abnormality, there is no expression of those genes, there is no appearance of the phenotypic characters. Okay, then insertion type of mutation. Insertion ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮಿಂದ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಪಾರ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗು. ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಅನದರ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ is known as a insertion. Okay, then duplication. Duplication means suddenly due to some mutagens the portion which is present in the chromosome it get duplicated. ಏನು ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಡಬಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ is known as a duplication. These are the types of chromosomal mutation. Okay, any part of the chromosome broken or the cutted due to some reasons. Lastly, that is the last type of mutation, gene mutation. Third one, gene mutation. Okay, gene mutation means you know that gene structure DNA have the nitrogen base pairs A, T, G, C like this. A is always pair with the T, G is always pair with C. Okay, you have to learn in the next chapter, that is molecular basis of inheritance. Now just remember this, understand this concept. In the DNA there are 4 nitrogen base pairs are present. Nitrogen base ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಹಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ DNA the nitrogen base pairs are present. Okay, those nitrogen base pairs are A, T, G, C. Okay, here the A is always pair with the T. A ಏನಿರುತ್ತದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ T ಜೊತೆ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, it means T also pairs with the A. Okay, then G is always pair with the C. It means C always pair with the G. Okay, these linings represents the hydrogen bonding between A and T. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A andra adenine. Okay, T means thymine. G means guanine. C means cytosine. Okay, here in the DNA nitrogen base pairs are present. Those are adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Okay, they are paired with each other. Any segment, any part of the DNA is known as gene. Initially I told that gene is nothing but the segment of the DNA or the any part of the DNA is known as gene. Okay, here in the gene mutation means any changes in the nitrogen base pairing in the DNA. Any change in pairing in DNA, otherwise we can say any change in pairing, any change in pairing of DNA or gene is called gene mutation. Is called gene mutation. Okay, any change which occurs due to the mispairing or any change in the sense there is a absence of one pair, absence means I will take example here. This is a DNA. Here you can see A, T, G, C are the pairings. A always pair with a T, T always pair with a A, G always pair with a C, C always pair with a G. If due to some any reasons this GC is eliminated or disappear due to some chemical mutagens. Okay, you know that by the DNA only RNA forms. RNA is single stranded, that is mRNA is going to form by the DNA. By the mRNA the protein will form. The proteins are very necessary for phenotypic characters. Okay. Now if change occurs in the DNA, that is in the base, it finally affect on the phenotypic character. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ that base pair is absent in the mRNA also. ಆ base pair absent in the protein also. That base pair is very necessary for certain phenotypic characters. Ultimately they shows the absence in the phenotypic character also, which creates abnormality. Okay. Then here the gene mutation is also known as point mutation. Gene mutation is also known as point mutation. Point mutation means a small base pair can change the whole phenotype. That's why it is known as a point mutation. Okay, in the gene mutation we can see the frame shift mutation also. Just remember the name frame shift mutation, which any changes in the gene, it also causes the frame shift mutation and point mutation. Here I will write a frame shift. Frame shift. I am not going to explain this one because if you learn about the coding and codons, triplet codons, then only you can understand the frame shift mutation. Okay. While discussing about the codons and that is the protein synthesis, I will explain about the frame shift mutations. Just now remember these two types of mutations in the gene mutation, point mutation and the frame shift mutations. Totally we discussed about the mutation definition, that is a sudden heritable change which occurs due to many mutagenic agents. The mutagenic agents are two types, physical and the chemical agents. Some example for the physical mutagens are the radiations, X-rays, gamma rays, UV rays. Okay. Then chemical mutagens, colchicine, tobacco and ethidium bromide. Okay. Then the mutations we can study by three steps, three categories: genomic mutation, chromosomal mutation and the gene mutation. Genomic mutation is due to the increase and the decrease in the ploidy number. Usually we can see the genomic mutation in case of plants. Chromosomal mutation is normal in case of animals and plant also. Chromosome mutation is just any changes which occurs in the structure of chromosome which causes the mutation is known as chromosomal mutation. In the chromosomal mutation we can see the deletions, insertion and duplication types of mutations. Then last thing we discussed that Gene mutation. Gene is a part of the DNA. Any change in the pairing of the gene is called as a gene mutation. It is due to some mutagenic agents. Okay. Any change which occurs in the pairing of the nitrogen base pairs, or we can say the pairing of DNA, ultimately it affect on the phenotypic characters. Okay. Lastly, we discussed that the gene mutation is also known as point mutation. We can see the another type of mutation in gene, that is the frame shift mutation. Okay. Here the mutation causes many genetic disorders. The mutation which causes many genetic disorders. I told that mutation we can see in case of genome, in the chromosomal mutation and gene mutation. In the chromosomal mutation, the whole chromosome is affected, or a part of the chromosome is affected, or any portion of the chromosome is affected by the mutagens, means ultimately it transfers into the offsprings. Okay, that is why we can say that genetic disorders, many genetic disorders is occurs by the mutation. The genetic disorders are very dangerous. There is no cure for the genetic disorders. If any changes which are present in the genes or the chromosome, they cannot be treatable. Okay. Due to those genes or the mutated genes, the abnormal progenies will develop. That is why while dealing with the mutagenic agents such as very dangerous radiations and the harmful chemicals, we have to take the strict precaution, or we have to be more careful while we are dealing with very harmful mutagens. Okay. You know that many mutagens causes the cancer. Okay. The mutagens which causes the cancer, they are known as carcinogens. Mutagens causes cancer, they are known as carcinogens. Carcinogens are the agents which causes the cancer. Those are nothing but the mutagens. Many of the cancers are caused by the mutagens. If any change in the DNA, it starts growing abnormally. You know that cancer is caused by abnormal growth of the cell. Abnormal growth of the cell or cell cycle, it is due to the mutation. Okay. This is all about the mutation. This is very important topic. In the next class, we can discuss about the genetic disorders and pedigree analysis. In the genetic disorders, we have to discuss the Mendelian disorders and the chromosomal disorders. Mendelian disorders are nothing but the heritable diseases, inheritable diseases, and chromosomal disorders are the due to chromosomal mutations. Okay. Thank you. We will continue in the next class.